Now, God, where's the slide at? Come on, Cart. Elevator. Can't whistle. Going up, third floor. Come on. Tired man. Pretty loud. Doesn't work if you don't put it together. You gotta press the button. It's old. Excuse me. Oops. Pictures. Cool. Exodus. Something with Jews. I don't know. I never understood how I spelled psalm with a P. Oh, the grace of the Lord Jesus be with you all. So that's how it ends. Oh, here we are. Come with me. Let's see, where is he? Over here. See? Hey, Father Damien, you got the slides I gave you last week?
Yeah, here they are. Those are boring things.
Look at the time. I gotta go. Hi, Carol.
Oh.
Bones. Very cool. Now, gotta go work. Man, that elevator must have taken long. What? What are you doing with that elbow? Come on, I gotta show you. Don't I know you from somewhere?
No. Have fun with the show.
How's my tie? Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Got the slide. Thank you. Whoa. Gee, gosh, that's a long trip up to third floor, Jason. I don't understand it.
Those elevators are pretty slow, aren't
Whoa, gee. Oh, I'm tired. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I thought I'd show you some slides, so sit back, get comfortable. I'll wake you when we're done. Okay? Let's turn this a little both. You know, St. Meinrad offered me this position, but I said, I'm kind of reluctant. I said, we'll pay for a vacation for you. I said, cool. Where are we going? And they said, here. And I said, hold on, can we be a little bit more specific? And they said, well, Michael, we thought we thought we'd give you a place, lush, beautiful, lots of flowers, warm climate, and sandy beaches and lots of places to swim and that kind of thing. And I said, that sounds great. And they said, cool, because you're having an all-expense-paid vacation to St. Meinrad, Archabbey. I said, excuse me, and they said, that's right, a monk's life for you. So, anyway, let's see. Here's me and the boys. I grabbed a few monks. We went out drinking one night. And, let's see. Oh, that's my boss. Just wanted to kiss up. Let's see. This is a warm picture for me. I said, I was here for about 2 days, and I said, where's the wine and the women and the song? Big, dances and lots of dinners and things. And they said, we've got just the place for you. And I said, cool. And little did I know that I was going to be spending the evening with the sisters over the Ferdinand Monastery. But, and then here's, a picture of my night. And, Father Damien took me in the woods. And I asked where the restroom was, but we won't get into that. Let's see, it's building stuff. And, ladies and gentlemen, I want to take this point in the show and this slide really doesn't fit in with my vacation, but since Father Eugene here is our present rector and going to sign my diploma, I'd like to say thanks.
Oh, my Lord.
Excuse me, hold on.
How many of these has he shown?
20 or 30.
You're kidding.
Jason, who is this guy?
What?
Hey, I'm right in the middle of my slide.
Sorry, bud.
Hey,
we don't do
I'm
this.
right in the middle of my
Hey, nope, no more of this. Sorry, folks. We're sorry to put you through all that.
Who are you? I'm right in the middle of my first show.
Nope.
Hey, what's your name?
I'm Daryl Heckler.
Daryl Heckler.
Daryl T. Heckler.
Daryl T. Oh, so that's supposed to make it important. What are you doing out here?
Father Damien sent me down here because he knew what these slides were, and he was afraid that you were going to do what you just did with these slides.
Hey, I think the audience loves these. Do you guys love these slides back there? Yeah, so the audience love these slides, right? I said the audience love these slides, right? See, they enjoyed it, so what's the problem here? Why are you
I'm sure they were all excited to come here and watch vacation slides. Oh.
Hey, at least the audience loves me. I don't see them clapping for you.
Hey, Father Damien sent me down here to take care of you. You see, you're tense. Look. Loosen up a little.
Hey, now, see, look, the audience, you love me, don't you?
With me on your show, everything will go fine. People will be happy.
Right.
Besides, the audience loves me. I said, the audience loves me, Russ.
Hey, right.
1 minute, folks. I'm going to take care of him. We'll be right back. No, you don't.
Wait, no. This is mine.
New shimmers are floor wax. No, new shimmer is a dessert topping. No, new shimmers are floor wax, I'm telling you. It's a dessert topping, you cow. Hold on a minute, you two. New shimmers are floor wax and a dessert topping. Here, I'll spray some on your mop and some on your butterscotch pudding. It tastes terrific. Wow, look at that shine. But will it last? Outlast other leading floor waxes 2 to 1. It's durable and it's scuff resistant. And it's delicious. Sure is. Perks up anything from an ice cream sundae to a pumpkin pie. Made from an exclusive non-yellowing formula. I haven't even started eating my pudding, and I'm ready for more. But what about black heel marks? Dirt, grime, even black heel marks. Really is good. Even black heel marks wipe away with just a damp cloth. Oh, sorry about that, buddy. I'll clean it up. Hey, no problem. Not with new shimmer. New shimmer for the greatest shine you ever tasted.